Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great week so far. I wanted to start this video out by saying thank you so much. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. That was a goal of mine this past year. We did it in 11 months. It didn't even take the whole year. So for that, I'm just so grateful, so humble, and just so excited to keep pushing this channel forward. And I hope you guys are excited for the journey. In honor of you guys participating and subscribing and commenting and liking and just promoting the channel and being a part of this family, I want to bring something to you. Right now on the website, everything is already on sale. No promo code required. We have the black elevated tees, the black elevated hoodies. These are dope. I'm repping one right now and they're just so warm, good quality. I've also got my slap stickers, so you can pick up the elevated ones, or if you want just the square. If you guys are interested in picking anything up, I will have everything on the website discounted. You don't need a promo code. Everything's already on sale, 30% off. Go head over to the website, support the channel. Instead of doing a giveaway, I know that one, maybe two people, whatever I did for the giveaway, would be grateful for the, the free merch or whatever, but I figured this was kind of a better way to reach more of you guys because there's 1,000 of you, man. I figure I can put everything on the store on sale, and that way if you guys ever thought about picking it up, now might be your chance to do it. Without further ado, let's get started on today's mod. This was actually recommended by a fellow subscriber, one of you guys. Huge shout out to Eric Gonzalez for showing me this mod and bringing me into the light. Eric, thank you so much. Guys, if you have any ideas for mods that you want to see me do to the F30 or the Prelude, put them in the comments down below. I'm interested in doing what you guys want to see. So let's go and get started on modding the F30. Both the whips looking real nice. Prelude looking good, needs some work. Winter in New England, it's like 20 degrees out today. Since we're gonna be working on the interior, I'm gonna let this thing warm up. That way I'm not freezing my off. Let's go ahead and start her up. Get you guys a little cold start action. While we're waiting for the F30 to warm up, let's go ahead and see what I got. Call it like an ambient lighting upgrade. You can put these pretty much anywhere. They're 3M tape mounted. I'm gonna put mine on the floor here, so they basically shine down on my feet as well as on the passenger side. It does come with 4 LED strips, so I've actually got 2 more that I can put in the back. Here is the remote that you get. It's got yellow, orange, cayenne? I'm not even sure on that color. Cyan? It's like a navy blue, purple, white, blue, green, red. What's really cool about these lights is you can program them, or not even program them. You can just, with a press of a button, you can set it so that way the lights change and pulsate to the music, which I think is pretty dope because I love listening to music in this thing. 4 LED strips. Again, the red tape on the back is 3M double-sided tape. These are actually like pretty flexible, so if you needed to kind of round it on a piece of plastic that you're going to stick it to, you can definitely do that. This is the power cord. They give you plenty of wire to run each thing. I'm not sure how long this is, but it does look pretty long. It's always a good idea to test what you're going to be using before you actually go into the full install. So before I go ahead and take this tape off and mount it somewhere, I just want to plug it in real quick and make sure that it does actually work. So that's a good sign. We've got all 4 illuminating. So I'm already having to get pretty creative about how I'm doing this. I realized that there's no easy way to get from the driver's side to the passenger side here to run the front lights to that passenger side footwell. If you guys look at the BMW interior, this is pretty much all one piece of plastic, and I really am not wanting to disassemble all this. So I figured out that there's just enough room if you pull this just a little bit to push the LED strip up, and I went ahead and removed this trim piece right here. Very carefully pry from the bottom, and then this whole piece will come out. And now you can see this LED strip. So I'm gonna take the LED strip on this side and go back down, and then I'm gonna reach under this plastic trim and try and pull it out so that way I can mount it somewhere underneath the glove box. So it took a little finagling with a little bit of right angles and patience. You can get that to pull through, and now we can mount it to this. I just mounted the driver's side right on this airbag thing here. So I just mounted the passenger side, same idea, right on this airbag piece, but look what I just found accidentally. Apparently there's a cigarette lighter down here. Always learning things on this channel. I hope that helps some of you guys out. I never knew that. I just mounted the rear passenger side. It's right here. I've got the heat running just to help the tape kind of stick a little bit better, that it's warm. Basically, this one is ran just right here. I've left some slack in case the seat needs to move, and I've tucked it all under here, coming around here, and then chasing all the way up past the seat, and then obviously to the controller. Basically, I'm gonna do the same thing with the driver's side rear. I'm gonna just tuck it underneath here and attach it right to the bottom of this. The lights are all in. I showed you where I mounted that one. This one I'm really happy with. You can't really see any wiring at all. The rears, I'm not sure. I mean, I don't like having the cord sitting there and there, but I had to leave enough room to allow the seat to move back and forth. If any of you guys plan to do this mod, or if you've done something similar to this, let me know down in the comments below what you did as far as a wiring setup and where you ran all your wires and how you mounted it to the back, especially on the rear seats, because I'm curious. It's light outside, so I'm trying to think of where I can go to show you, because it's not going to do it justice during the day. I think I know the place. So we've got red, green, blue, white, orange, which actually matches the factory orange pretty darn well. Yellow, cayenne, which is a really nice blue, purple. You can do a couple different options. So you have like all these 4 buttons here on the second from bottom. From right to left, you can do this one, which looks like red, green, blue. This one, which goes through all the different colors. This one, which pulsates between the different colors. That's pretty dope. This one, it looks like a slower pulsating light, so that's pretty cool. I think what I'm most excited for are these music features. These are pretty dope, and I'm gonna try and not get copyright strikes here, so bear with me. It looks sick with the pedals too. Damn. This is so sick. Oh my gosh, you guys all need to set this up in your F30. Scrapers in the city, Dayton's on a 57 Chevy, chrome suspension, 4 switches, LS engine, bitches came with the interior. Damn, these lights are so dope. I think all of you guys should go pick these up, because that took me like 20 minutes to install. I mean, even if you just wanted to use the orange, so you have that brighter factory orange looking light, the music feature is so cool. I didn't think like $15 lights on Amazon would be this dope. 100% definitely recommended. I just think it looks so good, especially with that pedal upgrade. If you guys didn't check out that video, make sure you go check out these pedals. Also on Amazon, super cheap. I mean, between the 2 Amazon mods, I'm pretty damn happy. Yo, if you guys leave it on the music portion, you can actually change it with just your voice. Change, 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 change. So I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that some of you guys end up doing this mod. Eric Gonzalez, thank you again, buddy. I appreciate the recommendation, and I'm very happy with the results. So again, if you guys have any mod recommendations, anything you've done on your F30 that you wanna see on mine, make sure you go throw that in the comments down below. As always, give this video a big like, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Peace.